In this video, I'll show you how to use two-factor authentication on Windows without needing your phone. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. This can be incredibly useful in case you don't have your phone nearby, or if your phone is lost or broken. To get started, open your browser and search for the Chrome Web Store. Click the first link to enter the store. Once it's loaded, click on the search bar and search for the extension named Authenticator. Click the first result that appears, which should be the correct one, and then click Add to Chrome. Confirm the installation by clicking Add Extension. Now that the extension is installed, let's test it out. I'll use Discord as an example. Inside my Discord settings, I'll click Enable Authenticator app to bring up the two-factor authentication QR code. Next, I'll go to my browser's extensions menu and pin the Authenticator app for easy access. I'll open it and then click the scan icon so I can capture the QR code on the screen. The extension will ask you to select the area where the QR code is visible. Simply click and drag a box over it, just like you're taking a screenshot. If you did this correctly, a confirmation will appear informing you that the account has been added successfully. Now, if I open the Authenticator extension again, I can see that the 6-digit code for Discord is available and refreshing right here.